Alright guys, so welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Galaxy Buds. So these are the new wireless earbuds from Samsung. So this is the successor to the Gear IconX 2018 that came out last year. And yep, let's go ahead and unbox this guy. So this one is in white color. Get the knife. So let's see. So this came together actually with the S10 during the pre-order bundle. That's why I have one here. So let us cut the seals. Yeah, before we do that, let's take a quick look at the packaging. So yeah, it says it contains the earbuds, obviously charging case, wingtips, earbud tips, USB-C, and the quick start guide inside. So let's take a look at it. Oh, there's one more behind. One more here. Right, done. So yeah, oh, so it's indeed pretty small. I didn't expect it to be pretty small. So this is the earbuds. Take a look at it. Type C port, powered by AKG, and I think it's inside. Oh, there we go. It already has power, it seems. We'll connect this later. Let's see what else do we get. So it should be the cable only left. Yep, Type C cable in white. Spare wingtips for your convenience. Oh, one just dropped. Oops. And we have the Type C cable here. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through this. We're gonna take a look at the buds itself. Okay, so let's keep all those things aside. And here we have the buds. So yeah, so this is the Galaxy Buds. I don't have the Gear IconX, so I can't show you a comparison, but the Gear IconX is slightly bigger. So let me just give you an idea. I don't think I can give you any idea, but yeah, so this is the shape of the Galaxy Buds. So yep, we'll be pairing with the, let's pair with the Galaxy S10 actually. So it's pretty simple. So I have the S10 over here. So actually I think you just have to open up this, let me just unlock my phone first. Alright, there we go, unlocked. So all you have to do is actually open up the case and it should pair something like Apple Airpods, and there you go, you have the Galaxy Buds already found. So we're gonna connect. So that's how you pair it. Pretty straightforward setup actually, and very easy to pair. So there we go, setting up, and it's connecting. Let's take a look at the software pretty quickly. So over here, so you need the Galaxy wearable app. If you don't have a Samsung Galaxy phone, you'll be asked to install it, but I already have it, so happen here. It's already preloaded on the S10, so it's ready to go. So agree, and now it's gonna set up, and okay, next. So yes, get to know your buds. So we can use this. Let me just take one here. So this is a touchpad actually. Over here you can touch, and over here let's see what else we can do. So we can double tap to play next track, answer and calls, and I think the last one is triple tap for play previous track, and what's the last one? Touch and hold, decline call. Alright, so pretty nice. We have the ambient sound as well, and you can pair with the phone or tablet. Charging with your phone, as I said, this will be able to do the reverse wireless charging on the S10. I'll show you guys later. And yep, we are done. So finish. So all set, and these are the earbuds. Closer look. Before that, let's take a look at the software. So we have the software up there already, so you can see the percentage of the battery for each earbuds. We have the equalizer, you can control it, pretty nice. I'll test it out actually. And we have the notifications area here. We have the touchpad, ambient sound, and we have find my earbuds in case you want to find it, and about the earbuds. And it looks like we have a software update. I'll be installing this later. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys, for the software. I think it's pretty basic and simple to use. In this side, you just have a connect new device and disconnect button. So guys, I'll be testing out the Galaxy Buds over here, giving you my first impressions and my review actually on these buds, to see the sound quality versus wired headphones. So I'm a bit concerned with the quality of the sound, but I'm gonna give it a try, and obviously give it a try and see, is it worth it? Is it worth your money in the first place? So yeah. And yeah, I heard this thing can last up to 7 hours of continuous music playback. We're gonna give it a try, and this will give you an extra another 7 hours, so you get 14 hours total, which is nice. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the reverse wireless charging on the S10. Let's take a look at it. So so we got to go here, and you gotta find the wireless power share. So this is the wireless power share, you can see. So put the center of the phone back to back. So I'm gonna put it down, and I'm gonna put it over here. Let's see what does it do. And it gave me a vibration, so it's indeed charging. You can see the red light there. So this is pretty convenient actually if you want to charge your buds on the fly. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you very much for watching this quick setup of the Galaxy Buds. So yeah, I'll be doing a quick review and give you guys my impressions on it. So stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.